Mũrũrũngano wa Gen Z nĩ wakorwo wĩ very epic and very iconic. Ũguo nĩguo describe mũrũrũngano ũcio because imekuwa far much more than mũrũrũngano wa last time. Ya last time kulikuwa wasee ni kwarĩ na andũ aingĩ but not like this time. Na this time it was totally unexpected tondũ guoya ũrĩa ũrendetio. I'm sure even the people in serikali, they did not expect that big turnout. Tonire CS Kipchumba Murkomen hari agifanga wira borithi hari akimabanga na pale hivyo akaweza kuashua wase that it's going to be a day like any other in terms of normalcy. Maandamano haitaruhusiwa like it get to some levels but wait until ifike wait until rĩrĩa gũkinyire kĩndũ thaa 4 hau thaa 3:30. Everything was on and everywhere. Maundu nĩ mekwanjĩtie ma mũrũrũngano na andũ meyumĩria kuma kona ciothe toka tukiona bara main ta Thika Road yuma ĩhinge ĩkũhingĩtwo nĩ arũrũngani nĩo mekũgeraga magĩthi taũni. Major roads nĩ cikũhingĩtwo no nĩ kuonania atĩ the Gen Zs are ready and they are willing to do anything, literally anything to make sure that they get what they want done. Taruhe hena gukanyonire andu Gen Z mekwĩmuinagira makiugaga niwe mutha wao yeye ndio atawapitisha pale hivyo kwa ile maji. Tokorwo tukiona interesting battles between thigari na arũrũngani. Hena handũ ngorirwo ngiona thigari makihuthira a lot of force makihura arũrũngani and at some point ndona arũrũngani maki overpower thigari. Very interesting times. Na ngirora video icio ciothe because it is very hard to keep up na video icio ciothe cia mũrũrũngano ucio, like huwezi kuwa umeweza kufuatilia hizo videos zote. Ngirora video icio majority nĩ cironania avurugu ya gatagati ka borithi na arũrũngani. Kuna hiyo ya vile walikuwa na overpower. Hena ĩngĩ mũthigari atigirwo nĩ rori na akorwo agĩtengerio nĩ andũ. Nĩ nyonire ĩngĩ Gen Z mena mũthigari Gen Z makina one time ndona ĩngĩ mũthigari akirira akiuga atĩ it is a very difficult time for him tondũ nĩ araremwo ku differentiate between duty na kurugama na Gen Z wenzake. Very interesting times na for once muthenya wa mũrũrũngano ũyũ nĩ twarĩkia gũkorwo tukiona thigari harĩa amwe makihuthira a lot of gentleness considering the fact that recently tukoretwo na case cia thigari makiuraga andũ na njĩra ĩmwe nene mũno. Tokorwo tukiona bado magikorwo makitreat andũ wega but bado hena kuria gukorirwo gwĩkũru biũ. Hena police stations korirwo cigĩcinwo mũno in Kiambu, I think in Kikuyu, kwa Kimani Ichung'wa, nginya ofisi cia constituency nĩ cicinirwo na Makongeni na Nyandarua police station nĩ cikorirwo cigĩcinwo and it has been very bad. Hena andũ mekugaga mũrũrũngano ũyũ nĩ tribal until the time tuonire mũrũrũngano ũyũ ũcikĩte nginya kũrĩa Rift Valley. Tuona andũ aingĩ mũno kũrĩa Kericho, Eldoret, tuona andũ aingĩ mũno and so imekuwa very difficult kuficha hii maandamano that ati kuna kũndũ tara happen, kuna kũndũ gũtararũrũnganwo. Imekuwa very difficult tondũ everywhere people were demonstrating. Na rĩrĩa gũkinyire mathaa mangĩ andũ makorwo me taũni yothe, the official march to State House yakorwo ĩkĩanjia. It is very unfortunate that matinakorwo magĩkinya. No, the closest they came to State House, Yuma State House Girls. Koroni haria gate ya State House Girls ire, then you know how close they were to State House and that can confirm to you that koroni magia dire koro they really wanted ni magi kinyire. So this really shows that the king is naked. Mũrũrũngano ũgĩthiĩ na mbere William Ruto auma kũrĩa Kilifi mathiko ma baba wa speaker wa Senate na kũu nĩ akorirwo akĩaria na akorwo akiuga atĩ we need to have a country first before we think about everything else.
Ni wahakikishie ya kwamba tutafanya bidii, mimi kama kiongozi wa taifa hii kwa mapenzi ya Mungu, nikisaidiwa na baba hapa na viongozi wengine wote, tutaunganisha taifa letu la Kenya, iwe ni mahali hakuna chuki, hakuna ukabila, hakuna kisirani, sote tunaishi kama ndugu moja, watu wa taifa moja, na tushughulike na mambo ya maendeleo ya taifa letu la Kenya.
Bato koroge jirio horosho ni unaona hapa hivi kuna kajaba kidogo pale hivyo, because the story has been the same. Kuma last year, mrugano wa last year, igwakorirwo na certain attempts ya gukorwo gugithondekwo reforms cia gucenjia bururi, but nothing has changed ever since. Na koguo ona William Ruto akiuga uguo ilikuwa inaonekana manze ni kana tufanyia tu hivi tu, you know. Right now the king is naked, really naked. Nidona adu aingi muno political analyst makiuga ati right now Ruto ndangirugama auge ati ameshikilia inchi vizuri. He is in fear right now. Todo if this maandamano kwanza thaishi tuge every 25th of June ilikoragwa hii maandamano na kuangalia track record ya the leader who is there, even when Ruto will not be there, 25th of June will be a day for maandamano of the Gen Zs and keeping up with what the government is doing. So tuge maandamano ma last time ilikuwa kubwa, ya this year imekuwa bigger. For 2024 was big, 2025 bigger. So you can imagine 2026 or any maandamano that is going to happen between now and June 25th 2026. Of course it is going to be bigger than this one. If it is going to be bigger than this one, neno tuona adome meters away from State House, then what makes you think that mrugano ucio ngi agikorwo mundu ndegukorwo abangite shughuli yake wega, ndegukorwo eho office-ini? So I think ni afati mani riu atige gukorwo akihenia na kuga ati the country sijui dronire Kindiki akiuga ati hii nchi si yao peke yao, and watu.
Mesikia kuna watu wamesema story nyingi kule, sijui vile watafanya Jumatano, mkuje asubuhi tukutane, kujeni tukutane, because hii nchi sio yenu peke yao, ni ya kila mtu. Hata wale hawako kwa maandamano ni nchi yao, hata wewe ni nchi yenu. Kwani nchi ni yako peke yako?
Yo, something that has never happened in Kenya might happen in those corridors of leadership. Agikorwo mutu yuko mukimenyerera. Anyway, need you more makumegi uhoro uyu. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.